I dragged Ivan along with me because I've been obsessed like with watching videos of the YouTubers that are ordering the same thing as a car in front of them. I want to try it. It looks fun. It started with Trisha Paytas and then it's just been a dark hole ever since. We're going to Taco Bell because I'm really hoping that the car in front of us is gonna order the Nacho Grande box. Ever since I saw it on Bretman's YouTube video, and then I got it right away, and it was so bomb, and the watermelon drink. So I'm really hoping someone gets that. Ivan at first was like, oh, we have to wait for a car to come in front of us. But right now, there's hella cars at freaking Taco Bell. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, right now I see how many cars are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars until the intercom, and that's not even counting like I don't know, like 5 more cars that I've already ordered. But yeah, right now we're behind a Honda and there's more than one person in there. So, I mean, there's two mouths to feed.
Like 2 girls, they better have an appetite.
Okay, so some discoveries have been made. There's actually 3 people in the car in front of us. 1 guy and 2 girls, and we're thinking maybe they might have smoked or something, or maybe they're just really fun sober people. I don't know, but we're just hoping. Well, Ivan's hoping they have an appetite. I'm just hoping they get the Nachos Grande box. That's all I want.
I felt like they were smoking. That's why I said that.
Oh, because it smelled like they're okay. Oh my gosh, thank you.
Hey, it took forever.
Wait, is there 4 people in there? I'm like seeing so many heads pop up. I don't want to hear what they order, so I'm gonna be a little back. Oh my god, I wonder how much they order. This is so weird.
This is weird. There's gonna be like that.
Hello, how are you?
Hi.
I'm gonna get you.
Can I order the same thing as the car in front of me?
Same thing?
Yeah.
Sticking to the end of double decker taco?
Yes.
Okay.
And that's all.
Okay, anything else?
Actually, can I also add the watermelon freeze?
Regular large?
Can I get a large?
Large. Okay.
And that's all.
4 people, they ordered 1 thing.
What a disappointment! But it's okay, it's like things that I've never ordered before though. So, I mean, I'll be trying something new.
What did they get?
They're so boring. They got, there's 4 people in there. And then they got 1 steak quesadilla, 1 double-decker taco or something like that. And then I'm sorry, I had to add a watermelon freeze because I really want Ivan to try it because I think he'd really like it. But yeah, I was like, I was expecting more.
Wow, that's all they got. That 1 little bag. Like, I heard your order and I just had to have the same thing.
Yeah.
You're awkward, I'm gonna look the other way.
Hello. Any sauce?
Oh yeah, can I get mild, please? I want you to try that watermelon drink. Thank you. I haven't never gotten their steak quesadilla before, and I've never gotten a double-decker taco, whatever that is. Have you ever gotten those things?
No. Oh, I think I have a quesadilla.
The steak?
Yeah.
Where's my light? Okay. Let's do, oh, there's a light here, so let's...
4 people. 3 people on
4.
the order. 2 things.
Cheese? Oh shit.
They're all on a diet or something.
And trying to do a little taste testing. Steak quesadilla. I've had the chicken quesadilla. I'm not a fan of steak in general though. Yeah, this is what I ordered. The watermelon drink. I discovered this because of Bretman, who did this challenge and actually discovered this. I don't have a green straw. Try it.
That's good.
Yeah, right?
Here.
This is the double-decker.
Taco thing.
The heck? So basically it's just a hard shell and a soft shell. Okay, so this is the double-decker. Hard shell, soft shell, and beans, cheese, meat. Right. I've never gotten this before. Sorry, I only got mild.
It's fine. I need to stop eating so much chili.
What did you get?
Quesadilla.
Steak quesadilla.
Yeah, I've had this one before.
Yeah. I mean, the only difference with this, I feel like with a regular taco, is that there's beans in this one. No.
I'll leave the other half for you.
I mean, tastes like Taco Bell. I mean, Taco Bell has a distinct taste, and this is it right here. There's 4 people in there, or 3, I don't know. Someone's not eating.
You didn't want to eat
And
half?
all this for 10? That's a little pricey to me for Taco Bell.
I've never had this thing.
It tastes like a regular taco, it's just that there's beans and a soft shell. Okay, let's try this steak quesadilla.
I honestly prefer the quesadilla.
Mmm. Yeah, the meat's good. I'm not much of a steak person, but I actually enjoy this.
Do you think the beans give this a weird flavor?
Does it?
Not to me. Like maybe because I never ate Taco Bell beans. So, I don't know, it's a little weird to me.
I have when I went through that bean and cheese burrito phase.
No. That's why you get the... Is that the BRC burritos?
It's so weird when you... I've never heard that phrase until you.
My mom says it like that.
I'm like I'm about BRC.
Beans, rice, and cheese. That's what my mom says. My mom always gets those burritos at lunch.
I agree, this one's better.
This is better.
And I usually get, if I do get a quesadilla from Taco Bell, I usually get a chicken quesadilla. And this steak one is so much better than the chicken one.
I got it before, but I was like really drunk.
Yeah, what was that?
What?
Steak quesadilla. This was I'm not a red meat person, you know.
Yeah. I know. I wish I got a Mexican pizza though.
I've never had that either.
No? I should like that.
The only thing I get from Taco Bell is bean and cheese burrito. Is it quesarito?
Quesarito?
A quesarito. Oh my god, what's that really popular one that everyone always gets? It like left my brain right now. Crunchwrap Supreme.
Doritos Locos Tacos.
Oh yeah,
Those are my favorite.
that one's bomb. Well, I'm glad though they didn't order like the 12-pack. So if they did, I'd be like, are you kidding me? All the same thing. So I guess this is better than that. But yeah, I found something new that I like. That was fun. I would honestly do this again. I don't think he wants to.
Only there's a family in front of us.